There's a lot of garbage and the food was really meh. This is like the best drink. Hello to day 2 in the New York. So yesterday we went to the Central Park, but I think the main park area was closing. Some of the part we went to, and then we visited like the roads and we walked in the Central Park, and then we went to the dinner at Junior's, which is like a chain from Brooklyn, which is very famous for its cheesecake, and the food was really meh. So apparently I forgot to take the video of my dinner and the cheesecake because मैं खाना देख के पागल हो जाती हूँ और उस पे टूट पड़ती हूँ. So please help with your imagination. And here you can enjoy the lovely breakfast we had at some bagel place, and we ordered these bagels. So enjoy this. And the cheesecake here is so dense and so huge, and I also didn't like that cheesecake as well. It's not even like hit and miss. There are rarely good things we have taken. And also yesterday night after the dinner we went to see the Times Square at night. It was really good. It was really nice. It was beautiful. The view was good, and it was giving like a proper New York vibe. But it was so crowded. There were people from all the angles, and you couldn't even like skip it, and then you just have to stand in there and experience that. But yeah, so today we started in the morning, like not really in the morning. We were really tired yesterday. We almost took like 30,000 steps, and the first thing we wanted to do, we booked the Statue of Liberty tour. Yesterday we went to the ferry, like the free ferry, but today we booked for the tour where the ferry takes us to the Statue of Liberty Island, and then also from Liberty Island to Ellis Island. And now I'm gonna let you see our experience coming from the ferry to Liberty Island, and also we witnessing the Statue of Liberty from all of the angles. So yeah, we saw the Statue of Liberty. We took some pictures with the Statue of Liberty. Yeah, but the route, like the ferry, they were so crowded. We had to wait for like half an hour with the tickets in the sun. And then finally, after arriving here, it's like very typical of it. I think they have like chains of this lemonade, and it's really good. This is like the best drink apart from like those we were drinking, like those iced coffees, and these are shit. But this is the only drink since we have arrived in the New York, and in general in like USA, that's one of the best drink that I've one of the best and the worst drink we have gotten. It was so refreshing, and it was so much needed after the standing in so much of sun. So now I think we are taking again ferry back to Ellis Island, but we are thinking if there is an option to go directly from here to Manhattan, we would prefer that. We don't want to go to Ellis Island, though we have paid for the tickets, but because we have limited time, because at the night we are going to Empire State, and we have to after buying the ticket we still have to stand in the line. How was your experience of seeing the Statue of Liberty? We have seen the main Statue of Liberty in Paris as well. It's like very small, like not this small, but it is small compared to this one. Yeah, that's the original. Yeah, by the way, that's the original. Yeah. Do you like this one better or the original? Obviously this is big, and this actually the island is also really nice. Yeah. So far we have enjoyed like the part of downtown, like the lower Manhattan, and the midtown is really like depends at what time you're, and mostly it's crowded, so I don't know. Shithole. Yeah, sometimes it feels like, most of the time it feels like a shithole. So there's a lot of garbage. I'm assuming, is it because of its weekend and they're not cleaning, or it's always usual? Now let's go back from the Liberty Island.